Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to contact Venmo support. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to contact Venmo, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Venmo. So now all you need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find the contact option. So simply tap on it and you can type in any of the queries you want to contact Venmo for, or you can simply scroll down and fill in a form about what type of problem you're facing by typing your full name, phone number, email, etc., and hitting the submit button. Otherwise, you can also chat with them from the link given, or you can call them for general support, or for card support you can call them in another number as well. So following these ways you can contact Venmo in simple and easy steps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.